back to 20 car. The 2026 Batmobile Unofficial Concept is more than a car. It is a legend reborn on 4 wheels, sculpted for those who dream of merging fantasy with futuristic automotive excellence. Its exterior is a dark symphony of sharp geometric lines and smooth carbon fiber curves, finished in an obsidian matte black that absorbs light rather than reflecting it. Wing-like aerodynamic panels extend from the sides, while bat-shaped LED headlights and illuminated accents make the car look like a moving silhouette of mystery and dominance. Inside the cockpit, the dashboard is a marvel of technology and theater. A fully digital panoramic screen wraps around the driver, displaying real-time navigation, combat-grade sensor readings, and holographic controls. The steering wheel is hexagonal, integrated with multifunctional touch-sensitive panels, and surrounded by glowing accents that pulse with the heartbeat of the machine. The rear cabin embraces futuristic luxury. Individual seats, finished in premium black Alcantara with silver stitching, are equipped with adaptive bolsters, ambient lighting, and a personal command interface. Hidden compartments and seamless finishes add to the vehicle's aura of secrecy and refinement. Beneath the armored skin lies a hybridized V12 engine paired with dual electric motors, producing a staggering 1,800 horsepower. Acceleration is astonishing, reaching 0-100 km height in just 2.1 seconds, giving it the ferocity of a superhero's weapon. Adaptive suspension, stealth technology, and self-driving modes make it as versatile as it is powerful. Competitors such as the Bugatti Bolide, Lamborghini Terrazzo Millennio, and Aston Martin Valkyrie may impress with speed and innovation, but none carry the mystique and cultural legacy embedded in the Batmobile concept. Projected pricing begins at $3.5 million, placing it among the rarest hypercars ever envisioned, an automobile destined not only to rule the road but also to inspire the imagination of every driver.